She a ride or die, she sticking with me to the end. She was there since the beginning, so I'll never switch. I told her we gon' make it to the top, and when we get up there, I'm not gon' stop loving her. I ain't gon' put no one else above her. She my lady and I wanna show her that this
back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome. Hello. How are you? How was your day? Let me know in the comments or something. But I'm gonna show y'all how to achieve this beautiful what did I call it? Sultry smoky eye. You can wear this to prom. This is a really pretty makeup look to wear for prom, especially like if you have a black dress. You can really wear this with any color dress. But I'm not gonna talk anymore. Let's get started. The first thing you want to do is prime your eyelids for a makeup look like this. Because this is black, it's kind of prone to staining your eyelids. I use this LA Girl Pro Conceal. I normally use like foundation to fill in my eyebrows and I just blend it down. But you know, this is prom and we're being special today. So I'm taking this and I'm just putting it on my eyelid. So now my eyelids are primed with a concealer. I mean, you can use an eyeshadow primer, but I have really veiny eyelids, so I just use the concealer to just kind of neutralize it. So I'm taking this airspun powder in the color translucent, and I'm using a fluffy brush to just set my eyelids. So for this whole look, it only takes like 2 colors, literally. So I'm taking this Sex Kitten palette from Tarte. I got it from Tarte.com. I'm using the color Paw for my transition color. I like to use a combination of windshield wiper motions and circular motions just because I can spread the color better, basically. A transition color acts like what it is, a transition. You can easily go from one color to another. So back to the Sex Kitten palette, I'm using Prowl. It's like the darkest black on here, and I'm using this, what's it called? It's a Real Technique shading brush. I'm not sure if you're supposed to use a shading brush for whatever I'm about to do, but who makes the rules for this? So I'm just kind of digging it in there so I can get as much color as possible. So what I'm doing here is I'm just taking the black and I'm just kind of patting it on my mobile lid. You know, mobile lid, the lid that moves. So now what I'm about to do is I'm taking this, I don't know what this is, I got it from AliExpress. Yeah, I'm gonna blend out this right here. And now you see that we lost some of our intensity. So I'm gonna go back in with that same I'm sick of these folks with this lawnmower. They cut the grass later on today. So here, so now I'm just like blowing out my color because this makeup look is so pretty when all the colors are blended and blown out. It's gorgeous. I'm pretty much done with my eyes. See, y'all see how easy that was? It took like 30 seconds. Not literally, but you know, it didn't take that long. So I'm done with my eyes. So we're gonna move on to the face now. And this Rimmel London long lasting finish breathable primer. It really doesn't matter what kind of primer you use. Just make sure it's like a mattifying primer, I guess. Mattifying primers will keep you matte all day. Well, in y'all case, all night. Well, all day, all night. People get their makeup done at like 2 o'clock in the afternoon. But make sure, if you're doing your own makeup, make sure you have a mattifying primer. Or if you're getting your makeup done, just ask, like, is that a mattifying primer? Like, is that gonna keep me dry all night? Because there's nothing worse than looking back at your pictures from prom and your face was looking like a grease ball. Okay, so now I'm just gonna wait for my primer to dry and I'm gonna be back. So now my primer is dry, and the next step is to spot conceal. On a normal day, I would not spot conceal, especially now because my face has cleared up some. I really don't have to spot conceal, but I still have some problem areas. So I'm taking this LA Girl Pro Conceal in the color Fawn. When you have concealer, make sure that it's like 1 or 2 shades lighter than your own skin tone, because you're gonna look real goofy with concealer that's too bright for your skin tone. No lighter than 2, because you're gonna look stupid. I'm taking that same translucent powder that I used to set my eyelids. I'm gonna use that to put under my foundation. I know I've said this 1,000,001 times in like all my makeup videos, but I'm gonna say it again. Translucent powder keeps your oils from coming through. Keeps you from looking like a grease ball at the end of the night or at the end of the day or whatever you're doing. What is this? Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the color 338. Spicy brown. Just put it on my hand. It really doesn't matter how much you put on your hand. Okay, so I have my foundation on my hand and I'm taking a flat brush to just like smack it on my face. I don't like to use a flat brush to actually put the foundation on my face because it makes you look really, really streaky and it's ugly. It's really an easy, self-explanatory process. Okay, so now my foundation is on. This is when I take the time to like choose my lashes that I want to wear. So I decided to go with these. These are my faves. Y'all already know the drill. I have a video on how to apply false lashes already on my channel, so I already got y'all covered with that. And I'm gonna probably I'm either put it in the description box or in the cards above. I'm gonna start experimenting with the cards now. So now I'm about to line my waterline. I'm using this Wet n Wild cream liner in the color Carbon My Reach. So now we close to the last step, y'all. So now I'm just gonna take that same color that I was using on my eyelids and I'm gonna put it on my lower lash line. Okay, so now it is time to set our face. I use this to lightly dust that same powder that I used to set my eyelids, and to put up under my foundation, I put that over my foundation as well. So now you have like double protection. So we're about to go a little further and use triple protection. So now I'm using L'Oreal True Match Super Blendable Powder in the color Cream Cafe or W8, whichever you prefer. So I'm taking that on a different brush. So now onto setting spray. So I'm using this e.l.f. Makeup Misting Set. So while my face is drying, I go ahead and highlight. I'm using this Artist Couture Diamond Glow Powder in the shade Illuminati. This is actually the same highlighter that I used for prom. I decided to splurge. I was like, ooh, it's prom. I gotta give me a good highlighter, girl. I'm putting my mascara on. Y'all already know the drill. Y'all know what's going on. Last and final step is the lips. So I really don't know what to put with like a makeup look with black lipstick. I mean with black eyeshadow, but I've done this once before and I put lip gloss with it, like clear lip gloss, and everything looked to be just fine. So we're just gonna take some regular beauty supply store lip gloss for $1. So you have come to the end of this video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. And if you want more makeup tutorials like this, just like this video, let me know. Hit me up on all my social media. Y'all already know that y'all can come to me with any ideas for my channel, because I got some good stuff for y'all, especially because graduation is coming up. People are going to college, so y'all just stay tuned. So with that being said, see y'all in my next video.